Hello everyone, welcome. Today I will give you a trendy salad recipe. I use 5 medium-sized potatoes for this recipe. Chop it into cubes like this, wash it, and spread it on a tray lined with baking paper. We add 30 milliliters of oil on it. Add any spices you want. I added salt, thyme and pepper. I also added black pepper. Wherever you watch me, please comment. Bake at a preheated temperature of 200 degrees until it reaches a soft consistency. On the other hand, prepare the ingredients that will go into it. Chop 1 medium-sized onion into cubes. Chop 1 medium-sized red sweet pepper. I use 1 bunch of parsley. Choose the product you want. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for free. The potatoes have become soft. Put them aside for a while. 60 milliliters olive oil for the sauce. 15 milliliters mayonnaise. Add your favorite spices again. I add the juice of half a lemon. Mix the sauce well. First, add the vegetables to the mixing bowl. Add potatoes on top. I add a bowl of boiled corn, which I like to have in a salad. Add the sauce and mix gently. This salad will be nice to consume throughout the summer. Finally, put it on a serving plate and enjoy it with your family. Please share your experiences after doing it. Please follow for new tastes. Enjoy your meal.